Hello ladies and gentlebeards, today I'm going to do a review of On Camera Marlboro's Beard Soap Cherry Edition. Now this beard soap bar is fantastic. I ultimately recommend it. The scent, especially of this one, the cherry one, which is my favourite. Self-named cherry chairman. Marlboro's don't have anything to do with it, but I am the Marlboro cherry chairman. I've said, there are other scents out there, they have 5 scents in total. Obviously the ultimate favourite of mine, black cherry. Only costs £6 of the English pounds. Well worth giving it a go. 80 gram bar. And before we carry on, please, cost you nothing. It gives you a huge glow in your heart. Just give me a like and subscribe, please. It means so much. Can't argue with that. The soap itself, it is a fantastic product. Natural product. None of the horrible stuff in it, SLS, parabens in it, none of that sort of stuff. Just really nice for the beard. Now, it is a bar of soap, so it is really good at getting in there and really stripping the hair of all the dirt and wax and build-up that you might have had on for a few days. Also, make sure you get it to your skin because it's a really good skin cleaner. It's balanced, so it's good for your skin, but it's also made so it's mild enough to use on the beard, but not take out all the natural oils, because you do want to keep some in there. And this will do just that. It is a great soap. I've used it, I keep it at the sink, and I used it in the shower just to, to give it a good lather up in there, give it a good go. The bar itself, obviously not this one's still sealed and wrapped, but the bar itself, it held together well, still does in there. I've only got a little bit left, a little slither. Unlike some soaps, a lot of the soaps come and it kind of just crumbles away. So do we have you keep it as well, so you're keeping it out of the wet, not in a moist place. You don't keep it on a shelf in the shower where it's going to get wet all the time. That'll just dissolve it away. So you got to keep it in a nice dry place, but it will last you. And the smell of this one is fantastic. Let me know if you've used Marlboro's soaps. What do you think of them? Or do you have others that you prefer? Let me know in the comments. It's all open for debate. We're all one big happy family here. That's what Carl Bearded Banter channel's about. It's about us coming together as a community, sharing and talking about what we've got. That's all I've got for now. I'll see you all soon.